I mean, for amateur welders. And welcome back, everyone. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Once again, we're back for another Dirty Diggers video here. In this video, we are continuing off where we left off with the truck welding project. So here we've got a time lapse happening. This is where we picked up again in the morning. Me and Mario, we brought obviously had the two welders up here. It got the fan going to blow out that smoke and had to open up the garage door in the shop. It was way too cold and snowy to be welding outside, so we had to open up the shop, get a window open too to get the airflow going and that fan. And trust me, it was very warm in this box with the two welding machines going. So we got that going, and look at this. I got some Timmy's, very nice treat. Thank you, Mario. So we managed to get the whole box welded, all the sheets done. After this, we had the next step was to work on the outside of the box. So you might have noticed the outside of the box, particularly above the wheels, was a little bit rotted out and weak. So I'm gonna cut out a strip here. We're just gonna put it over top of it and cover up the sides there of the truck. Keeping in mind, this is an old truck. It's mostly for just on-site work. And so this is just to clean the truck up, make it look a little more presentable and reinforce some of those weaker areas. So the plan is to put the piece here. The plan anyway. And then mark all these, mark them up, and then cut that slip out so they'll insert right in there, and it'll be one nice big piece instead of a bunch of other pieces welded together. And cleans this all up, makes it a little nicer looking, and take care of those holes anyway. Just going through marking them. We always use a square. Okay, so those are the cuts I was talking about. So now we've got that cut in. Got the bottom tack welded, mostly. So now we're gonna try and bend the pieces in to get against this metal here. So this is how we've chosen to bend the metal in. Some heavy steel to bend the metal in. There's no other real option. This bends it in nicely. Okay. So I'll just hold that in place until we get some tack welds on it, and then we're good to go. Okay, so that's all bent in, tacked in everywhere. Actually worked out not too bad. Didn't think I was gonna go as well as it did.
Not too bad.
I don't know, it bent pretty easily. Oh, this one little area here, we're gonna have to move this to get, but other than that, I mean, for amateur welders, it's not too bad.